Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing quite well, and here 400 plus Flyerr templates for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and some files are Adobe InDesign. You can customize in the software, but first you need subscription for access of my file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one-time payment for lifetime access, automatic update password, access with title and thumbnail. Okay, so property 8.45 GB, 570 file included preview. You see here PSD file for Photoshop, and here for InDesign. You can import in Photoshop and you can customize. Same thing here, one for Photoshop and here for InDesign. 4th July. These are CMYK color for printable. Okay, here JPG, digital art, and here files APS, AI, and PSD in 3 different French day Flyerr, cooking Flyerr, beach club, and here business agency. Here AI EPS, and here for Photoshop. Travel. For example, I open this one. Europe, Middle East is here. You see here in the area, here all layers are added, are customized. You place photo here, logo, vacation, Europe. Okay, and here background. These are CMYK color. You can print. Here summer Flyerr. Here real estate. Here information file in PDF, and here for Photoshop you can import 3 different design of your bedroom, bathroom, or living room. Customize everything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of my output. Take care. Allah Hafiz.